Well, happening now, we have an exclusive announcement from AccuWeather on the California drought. Here's Brittany Reno with the details.
And it was early this year that AccuWeather was the first to predict the end of the multi-year drought in California. Now, after carefully analyzing the current water situation, as well as the AccuWeather long-range forecast, AccuWeather experts today are exclusively forecasting that there will be no significant drought in California into the winter of 2025. This is a major announcement in a state where water is such a critical asset. All right, here's where we're going as we head into the winter time. Much of the reservoirs are filled. They're running well above the historical average. Now, typically when we talk about rain and mountain snow, it is more of a beneficial impact. It could be more negative this year because we're worried about some heavy rain, and also the excessive rain and mountain snow could result in serious flooding. We certainly had that problem as we head into the spring months. All right. How did we get here? Well, it was last year that we had storm after storm after storm that came into California. Not only with the heavy rain, but we had 2 to 3 seasons worth of snow in the Sierra. All that snow melted and it filled up the reservoirs. Notice where we were before the winter started. We had severe, extreme, and exceptional drought covering much of the state. By the time we got into June, all of that drought was eradicated. Then we had Hillary, not the politician, the storm that produced all the rain across Southern California. Now, that helped recharge some of the groundwater. And now, with that in mind, and look at our reservoir levels. In fact, 2 of the biggest reservoirs in California, Shasta and Oroville, are running well above the historical average. So this is where we are right now. Now, with this El Nino that is going to be in place, remember that's the warming of the equatorial waters in the eastern Pacific. What do we think is going to happen here? We're going to see a strong southern jet stream, and with that, there's going to be bouts of heavy rain, we think, and we are looking for quite a bit of rain and mountain snow.